Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Vincent. I'm going to help you with one of your activities today on day 3 of your math. This is about temperatures, spring temperatures. So we're going to look at the thermometers and answer our questions. Okay, so we have 5 temperature or thermometers. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And each thermometer is showing a different temperature. Now, a temperature is how hot or cold something is. And it's usually measured 2 ways. It's measured in Fahrenheit, which is what these are measured in. And you can tell that at the top of your page it has a little circle. That is a degree mark. And an F. And the F stands for Fahrenheit. And that's usually what we here in America judge our temperatures on. There's another way to judge temperature is Celsius. And we don't really use that as often as we do Fahrenheit. So your thermometers that we're looking at on today's activity, on day 3, which is Wednesday, April the 15th, we'll be answering some questions about those. So let's answer the questions on our sheet. Okay, the first question says, what thermometer has the coldest temperature? Now, on a thermometer, the higher the number, the hotter the temperature. So let's look at the thermometers. Okay, so we have 5 different thermometers, and I want you to see if you can find the one that is the coldest. Okay, see if you can find the one that is the coldest. How do you know that it is the coldest? We know that in a thermometer, if you've ever seen a thermometer, your parents may have taken your temperature, or the doctor may have taken your temperature. That is a thermometer as well. There's all kinds of different thermometers. There's a thermometer that measures our temperature, and then there's a thermometer that measures like the temperature outside. And you may have one of those on a clock or outside on your porch or somewhere like that. Our meteorologists look at the temperatures every day, and that's what this is measuring. It's not really measuring probably our temperature in our body, but probably an outside temperature. So let's look at this one. The first thermometer shows us that it is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So on our page, we can see here is 0, and it goes up and counts by tens. Okay, so this one goes all the way up. Here's 70 and here's 80. So we read that by the top of the thermometer goes across to 80 degrees. And this is how we write a temperature. 80, and then we draw a little circle at the top, kind of like an apostrophe that we've talked about sometimes, and an F for Fahrenheit. Okay, this temperature, let's look at it. It goes all the way up to 50 degrees. So I'm just gonna write these temperatures underneath our thermometers. Okay, the third thermometer goes all the way up to, what does that say, boys and girls? Can you see that? Good, 60 degrees. Okay, then our fourth thermometer goes all the way up to 70 degrees. And then our last thermometer goes all the way up to, what is it? 50 degrees. Okay, so it says, which thermometer has the coldest temperature? Can you tell? I believe that would be, there's 2 of them actually. Tuesday and Friday. Okay, number 2, which thermometer has the warmest temperature? The warmest is going to be the hottest, the one that has the most. Good job, Monday. Okay, number 3, which 2 thermometers are below 60 degrees? So we're not going to count the one that's 60 degrees. It wants to know what thermometers are below. So again, that's going to be Tuesday and Friday. Good job. All right, and I'm going to let you finish the rest of this. What was the temperature on Tuesday? You're going to find Tuesday. What was the temperature on Tuesday? Number 3, how much warmer is Thursday than Wednesday? So we're going to look at Thursday's temperature and Wednesday's temperature and subtract. What would we subtract? 70 minus 60, because this one is on 70, this one is on 60. So how much warmer was it on Thursday than it was on Wednesday? And then the last question says, Which thermometer has a temperature of 80 degrees? So look at all 5 of your thermometers. Which thermometer has a temperature of 80 degrees? Okay, then it gives you a bonus down here. It says, on the back of this paper, tell about your favorite thing to do when the weather is nice. Sunday, we did not have very nice weather. It was kind of windy, it was rainy, it was stormy. So that's probably not a nice day to write about. Think about days that you've had maybe in the past. It's been real pretty, except for Sunday. It's been fairly nice outside. It's been warm. It's been breezy. It's been a great few weeks to be outside. Today is going to be a great day to be outside. It is a little cool today, but it's still nice. It doesn't mean that you're going to get really hot. You can play outside for longer today. So on the back, you can draw a picture or write about things that you can do on a nice day. Thank you.